Welcome students. Today we will be going through the second year pre-university course of English, and we will be going through the first poem called Romeo and Juliet, and this is written by William Shakespeare. This will be a complete educational course and which will be helpful for your further exams and future. So here we go. Questions are and answers are as per below. Each of these questions belong to 1 mark section, as you can see over here. Okay, let's begin then. So, question 1. What does this say? What did Julius teach the torches? So, what did he teach the torches? Answer is to burn bright. Okay, now second question. Okay, so the second question is, where did Juliet seem to hang upon? Alright, so the answer to this is upon the cheek of night. Alright, now we will be going through the third question. So, what is the third question? To which ornament was Juliet compared? The answer to this is a rich jewel in Aesop's ear. Alright, now let's go with the fourth question. That is, what does the phrase earth too dear mean? The simple answer is a rare beauty. Okay, now fifth question. Who is compared to a snowy dove? The simple answer is Juliet. Alright, and to clarify, dove is a bird. You can just check it. Alright, sixth question. When do the hands of Romeo become blessed? Alright, so the answer to this is when he touches Juliet. Okay, now the seventh question. What does Juliet compare Romeo with? So what is he comparing her with? The simple answer is to the day in night. Okay, alright. Now let's go with the eighth question. So the eighth question is, what does the phrase new snow mean? Okay, the simple answer is love as pure as snow. Okay, I hope this is clear with you all. Now let's move to the next section. Alright, now let's move to the ninth question. Alright, what does Juliet want Romeo to become after her death? The simple answer is little stars. Okay, now let's move to the 10th question. Why does Juliet want Romeo to become little stars after her death? Well, the answer is so that all the world will be in love with the night. Okay, now 11th question. When will Romeo make the face of heaven so fine? The simple answer to this is when he is cut and made into little stars. Okay, now let's move to the 12th question. Had Romeo ever seen true beauty till that night? The simple answer is no. Right? Now let's move to the next section. These are just the key points. If you wish to, you can just go through it just for your reference. Over here, both the question can be asked in the same manner. The question goes is, how does Romeo glorify Juliet's beauty? And it can also be asked as, why according to the Juliet would all world stop worshipping the gas sun? The simple answer is, the poem Romeo and Juliet is an extract from William Shakespeare's tragedy Romeo and Juliet. Right? The Montages and Capulets were the two noble families of Verona. They were arch rivals and known for their animosity. Though Romeo belonged to Montages, he attended the party hosted by the Capulets in disguise. There in the party he saw Juliet and was fascinated by her enchanting beauty. The poem expresses Romeo and Juliet's intense and passionate love for each other.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, GST ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಚಲನ್ನಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹಾಕುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಗಂಟೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.